The Times reports this morning that the legal aid system needs another £100 million to keep it afloat and prevent it from collapsing. Historically, the legal aid budget has been £2 billion, but £350 million of that was deducted in 2013 with the Legal Aid Sentencing and Punishment of Offenders Act. So welcome back, I'm the Black Belt Barrister, helping you to understand law. So many people have lots of different views about legal aid. Some people are upset that it exists in the first place because it effectively gives free representation to those that have committed heinous crimes, and others think that it doesn't go far enough to provide an adequate level of representation so that people get an adequate defence when compared with the resources of the prosecution against them. Now, according to Bolt, Bird and Kemp, 80% of British people had access to free or affordable legal help in 1949, but by 2007, this dropped to just 27%, with most legal aid going to the most economically deprived areas around the UK. Reportedly, criminal defence solicitors and obviously barristers who go on to represent clients in court have long complained about the rates of legal aid being so low that the contracts with the legal aid agency are becoming difficult to maintain. The recommendations published yesterday by Sir Christopher Bellamy has said that the £100 million required to keep the legal aid system afloat is illustrative modelling which have been carried out to assess how much criminal legal aid fees would have to increase so that the gross salaries of solicitors at legal aid firms could become broadly equivalent to those of the CPS. And this is because there needs to be a fair balance between the CPS, the Crown Prosecution Service, which is the UK's prosecutorial body, and defence solicitors. And I've said this for many reasons on this channel a number of times, because there must be an equal fight, if you will, on both sides of the equation. There must be an adequate level of representation for the prosecution and an equal and adequate representation for defence. And this ought to be the case irrespective of the person's background and financial circumstances. Suffice to say, the Law Society, which is the professional representative body for solicitors of England and Wales, having been lobbying for the increasing funding for a long time, is delighted at this news. But of course, many of you watching may have your own views based on your experiences and your views about how the system should work. So please do let me know your views in the comments section below, and remember to subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.